Hey friends, so this application is going to pay you real money, and this is my account dashboard. As you can see here, I made $7 from this application, and I can withdraw this money after I reach $20 from this application. So in this video, I'm going to show you best applications that are really going to pay you real money in 2024, and this one is really going to help you to earn extra cash. And the very good thing about this application is that this money will be sent on your bank account and other payment methods that are nearly available all over the world. But also, these applications are very trusted and legal applications. So let's dive in and see one by one. Our very first application is called Clip, and if you love spending your time on Instagram or TikTok scrolling all the time, I think this application is for you, and you're just going to make money just by scrolling and do all the stuff online. So let's see how this application works. Right after downloading this application and joining on this application, you'll be seeing different videos on this application, and every time you watch a video on this application, you can get a reward or coin, and this coin, you can exchange these coins, you can exchange this reward into real cash. So that means you can get $1 up to $5 just per 1 hour. So in order for you to make like a lot of money, you have to watch these videos over and over again, at least for 2 hours or 3 hours. You can end up making up to $20 or $15. It can help you to pay some bills. So I will recommend, if you have free time and you think you can do this, you can go ahead and download this application. But I'm going to tell you the best application that can make you decent amount of money. It can really help you. Alright, so our second application is called Userfield, and this application is paying more than most of the jobs on hourly basis. So right after downloading this application on your mobile phone, this application is going to pay you to become a tester on this platform, because this application is going to give you tasks. And on this task, you'll be able to test the different websites, you'll be able to test the different application, and after leaving a review or share your opinion about how you feel about a certain website, how you feel about a certain application, you can get paid up to $30 per 1 hour. So let's all pretend like you're just going to shop on Amazon or any website, and after shopping on this website, you're just going to leave a review about how you feel about this application, how you feel about Amazon website. So this review and the opinion that you shared on this platform, that means you have tested this website, how this website works, how this application works. And after doing that, after you leaving a review, after you sharing your opinion, you can get paid $30 per 1 hour. This can be a reasonable amount of money. You can end up making more than $180 just by 1 day. I've seen a good review, people saying that they made reasonable amount of money on this platform. So you really have to go on this platform and see how much you're really going to make just by doing that. So next on the list, we have Pop, and this is among the applications that I really recommend anyone who is watching this video. You have to go ahead and download this application, because I tried and I downloaded this application last year. I saw multiple photos on this application, and you can get paid up to $5, $6 per one photo that you're going to sell. This application is going to let you to sell your own photos from your mobile phone, and you can get paid up to $5 or $7 per one photo. It just depends. And I've seen people are making up to $100 per 1 day just on this application after selling their photos on this application. So what you have to do, let's say that you're just going on vacation and you think you can take good photos on your way. So you can take this photo and upload these photos on this application, and you can get paid decent amount of money. You really have to go ahead and try this. And also on this application, there are a lot of companies that may be willing to pay you up to $1,000 after they request a specific photo from you. So there are a lot of commission, there are a lot of great deals on this application. You may want to go ahead and try this application. You just have to go to Play Store and you download this application and start making money just by taking photos, and then you have to sell these photos on this application. A lot of people are there to buy your photos, so you have to do it right now. Our next application is very interesting, and this application is going to give you free money. This application is called Dosh. Once you join on this application, and let's say you're just going to purchase something from $100 from Adidas, and this application is going to cash back at least 10% of your purchase. So if you purchase something for $100, you can get $10 back to you. This is a very trusted application. This application has too many trusted partners. So our next application is called Google Opinion Reward, and this application is going to pay you by answering different questions, very simple questions, and taking surveys on this application. So the good thing about this application is that all these surveys and all these questions, they usually take a very short time. It can be 20 seconds, and you can get paid $1 per one survey. So if this is how it really works, you can do at least 2 surveys per 1 minute. You can end up making up to $120 per 1 hour. I've seen a lot of people are making up to $400, $300, and $500. So you just have to go ahead and try to see how much you're really going to make on this application. Our next application is called Field Agent, and this application is going to pay you $50 per 1 day just by doing a very simple task. So what you're supposed to do on this application, you'll be needed to go to different stores. It can be supermarket, it can be grocery stores. What you're supposed to do is that you have to go there and you have to check a certain product if it's available on the shelf, but also you have to check the price checks. And if you do that, you can provide your feedback and send back to this application. And if you do that, you can get up to $50. On this application, there are too many companies that they need to know how their products are performing in different stores. So this is the reason that they have sent you to go there and see how their products are performing. This is what you have to do to make at least the $50. So in order for you to make like decent amount of money, more than $1,000, you have to do this like every day in a month. So this is our last application, and this is one that made me $7 just after downloading this application. So anyone who is going to download this application and join on the application, you can get up to $7 for free. For you to get like real cash, you need to reach $20, and after reaching $20, you can receive this money from this application. They're going to send this money on PayPal account or on your bank account. So you have to know how this application works. This application is going to pay you passive income on a monthly basis without you doing any job on this application. So what you have to do, you need to download this application on your mobile phone or any devices that you're using. It can be your laptop or your computer. You just have to download this application. This application is going to run at the background of your device to collect data of online tenders that people have, like how users interact with ads, how users shop online. And the good thing about this application is very protected, and they don't track your personal data. This is among the most trusted platform that I know. You can make up to $180 per 1 month. So you don't have to go to this application. The good thing about this application, you just have to make sure that your internet connection is on, but also you have to switch this application on all the time so it can be running at the background. You don't have to do anything at all. So this is like the best passive income method that you can start making money on, and it's really going to help you to pay some bills on your everyday life. So this is it for today, and I hope that you're really going to try among of these applications that I've mentioned in this video. But for my recommendation and what I really think that is really going to be very simple and is really going to work for you in a very short time, I think FOP is the best application, but also Field Agent. You have to try one of these, and you can see how much you're really going to make on this application that I've recommended, but also all these applications that I've mentioned in this video. And also, I've seen a lot of good reviews about Google Opinion Rewards. So these are my top 3 applications, and I think if you're going to try one of these, you can really get paid and you can make a reasonable amount of money that can help you to add something in your pocket. Thanks so much for watching my videos. My name is Hans David, and I hope to see you next time.